Hi Adi. I thought I'll create a quick video on MOL app video publishing, so you can take it over from next week or from next month. Three things here, three websites. One is onesignal.com, where the push notification go to the mobile. One is MOLapp.com app services, where you have to publish the video, and this is Alex Mandosian video links, which is on Google Drive and Evergreen Trap. So I think you already have the access to it, but these are the three links. Every Friday you have to open to publish a video. I'm sure you have this access to this spreadsheet. If not, I can get you access. And here you have to go to Evergreen Trap, and you have to find the video which one needs to be published this week. So on the right hand side I have written MOL app status, and please do not modify this, do not delete this. So you have to check the last published video. So this is published, so the next needs to be published. Go here and check. This is the video name, so you copy that video name, log in here, Sandra@marketingonline.com. I will share credential with you. So these are the list of video which has already been published. You can check. So these are the already video is being published. Don't worry about the drafts, because we thought we will publish the video, but these are not in Evergreen list anymore, so you can delete these off. So these are the videos being published. To add a new video, you have to create on add new content, and this is under MOL app. You write the text here, or better copy this text, put it on notepad, and then copy it from here. And if there is this has to be YouTube. If there is any description to this video, you can write the description to this video. And this is the YouTube URL. I've already given the URL. What you have to do, where it is written copy ID here, just have to go, and this is the ID of the video. Just need to copy this and paste it here. So the format needs to be like this for the app, and the status needs to be publish, and the video image. For the video image, for an example, you're creating a video image with this name. You have to always remember two things: the name of the video image, if this is the name of the title, or if you are using the same title for, you can use different title, anything you like. It has to be on JPEG or PNG, so there should not be any space in between the name of the image, otherwise the image will not reflect. Or either remove all the space, or either add a dash. So if you are saving this .jpg, the image will not appear. So either it has to be an unique name, or anything naming you what I follow the standard. I copy the name, put dash in between, or remove the space in between, and save this as a JPEG or PNG. So this is the image I created. I will share the access on this 1920 by 1080. So I will share access to these all the video thumbs, the existing thumbs, and you can start creating your own. So I create this image every day with one of Alex image, and I'll show you the images has been created. I'll give you access to this folder where the source code is there. This is the source code, and this is all artwork, the MOL app, individual elements, screens, marketing online logo, MOL dashboard, icon, everything is there. And these are the video thumbs, like I created for every week one image of Alex and some text to it. Okay, So I'll give you access to this Dropbox. So now this image has been created. I will go ahead and browse this image, and before publishing I will copy this message again. I'll go to One Signal. I can add your account to this One Signal. Right now I'm using marketingonline.com. I log in. Once I log in, I will see MOL here. Click on this and click on messages, and these are the messages is published every week. So I'll click on new push, and I'll open this. I'll show you in a minute why to refer to an old message. So on a new message, the title has to be marketing online, and you can see how the message will appear, and the message body is this. So this is how the notification will appear. Now subtitle, let it be blank. Scroll down, this has to be clicked increased by 1 every time. So this has to be increased by 1 selected, and here two things you have to copy. One is small icon, one is large icon. That's why we refer to a old message. Scroll down, copy this URL and paste it as small icon, and copy this URL. This is small icon, this is large icon, this large icon, and you will see this is how it will appear here. So Android, and this is how it is, and that's all. So three things: the title, the body increased by 1, small icon, large icon, and click on confirm, and you will see recipient 171 includes everything. This is how schedule right away. So you come back here and click on video title, video URL, video type YouTube, some description, publish, video image, click on save. Once this is done, you come back here, click on send message. So user will get a push notification there is a new video published, and you can come on this video which we just published, and on the right hand side you can write published. So you remember this is published, and next video will be this, okay? And then the rest of the video. So this is the video which has been published. If you want to edit this video or edit the title, click on this. You can change anything you want, click on save, it will get saved. Users, you can see what the user has been opted in for MOL app and from where. It will be a bit slower because too much of data, so it will take a little time to load. You can go through this when he has updated his app, from where he has updated his app, and this is the contact list. There is a contact form on MOL app. If somebody submitted, the email goes to sandra@marketingonline.com, and the contact list also gets saved inside a database. So you can click on contact list. If there is anybody who has submitted the contact form, you will get the name, email ID and the message, as well as the email will get forwarded to sandra@marketingonline.com. So that's all, and I think these are the contact details which has been submitted by somebody. Hola, my Sam, whatever. These email also get forwarded to the Sandra, but it doesn't get inserted into Infusionsoft. You probably could manually export this into an Excel file and import this into Infusionsoft contact and start sending email, or send an email manually, however you want. So and that's it, nothing complicated. This is how you publish a video every Friday morning. You can keep this video for reference, and if you have any question, definitely can come back to me. And thank you for taking over this. I really appreciate it.